Take a ride in the 2019 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated front seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.